Sometimes IDS will not work because of antivirus. Antivirus deletes some important files of IDS. Let's see how to check it. For this, go to IDS next folder, right click on it, open file location. Here search for regdll SXP. Right click on it, run as administrator. Here you can see all DLL files are available. In case if it's deleted by antivirus, then you will see less DLL file. Then you have to install IDS again through setup or without setup. Okay, that's all in this video.